The HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro emerges as a comprehensive upgrade in the premium wireless gaming mouse segment. Tailored for esports professionals and precision-demanding users alike. With a featherweight design, HyperX's custom 26K optical sensor, and a lightning-fast 4000 Hz polling rate. This mouse promises an unmatched blend of speed, accuracy, and versatility. Whether you are a competitive gamer or a professional seeking top-tier precision, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro delivers on all fronts. Right out of the box, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro impresses with its ultra-lightweight build, tipping the scale at a mere 61 grams. This makes it one of the lightest wireless mice available today. Ideal for fast flicks and swift cursor movements. Particularly crucial in FPS titles like CS2 and Valorant. The gunmetal gray color variant offers a sleek, modern look that blends effortlessly with any gaming rig or professional workspace. The mouse body features premium matte plastic, designed to resist fingerprints and sweat buildup, ensuring a clean and comfortable grip throughout extended sessions. Its symmetrical shape supports both left and right-handed users. Although the additional side buttons are limited to the left side, the overall form factor fits naturally in the hand, striking a balance between control and comfort. A standout feature of the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is its custom HyperX 26K optical sensor, an enhanced variant of the renowned Pixart PA 3950 sensor. This sensor boasts a staggering maximum DPI of 26,000 and delivers precision tracking at speeds up to 650 inches per second IPS with 50 G acceleration. In practical gaming scenarios, this means rapid mouse movements translate into precise cursor positioning without jitters, drift, or lag, critical for nail-biting flick shots or exact pre-aims. Complementing the sensor's prowess is the mouse's polling rate, which reaches up to 4000 Hz via the included proprietary dongle. A feature rarely seen at this price point. This ultra-high polling rate drastically reduces input latency, providing near instantaneous response times. For competitive gamers and streamers, this advantage can mean the difference between victory and defeat, especially in fast-paced, reaction-based games. The mouse supports flexible polling configurations, allowing users to switch between 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity. The transition between devices is effortless, facilitated by a dedicated toggle switch at the mouse's base. This makes it simple to switch between PC, laptop, or tablet, catering well to users who juggle multiple systems. HyperX's dedicated NGENUITY software elevates the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro experience by offering a user-friendly yet powerful customization suite. Even newcomers will find the clean, tabbed interface straightforward to navigate. Users can easily configure DPI levels, ranging from 400 to the maximum 26,000. With the ability to assign distinct RGB colors for each sensitivity setting. The DPI toggle button, located conveniently on the mouse body, allows quick switching between profiles during gameplay or workflow changes. Beyond performance tuning, NGENUITY lets users personalize RGB lighting effects on the mouse's scroll wheel, remap buttons, and program macros tailored to individual preferences or game requirements. Although the mouse has limited lighting zones, the depth of customization ensures users can impart a unique flair to their device. One highly practical feature is onboard memory storage, allowing profiles and settings to be saved directly on the mouse. This means that configurations remain intact, even when the mouse is connected to different devices, eliminating the need to reinstall or reconfigure the software repeatedly. Currently, NGENUITY supports only Windows OS, and some users might experience a slight delay when the software initially detects the mouse. Nevertheless, it remains a robust and responsive tool. To unlock the full potential of the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro, battery performance is crucial for wireless gaming peripherals, and HyperX delivers solid endurance with the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro. When operating at the standard 1000 Hz polling rate, users can expect approximately 100 hours of continuous usage, a remarkable feat for a wireless mouse combining such lightness and speed. Switching to the 4000 Hz polling mode naturally reduces battery life to roughly 30 to 35 hours. Despite this decrease, the duration comfortably covers extended gaming sessions, practice runs, or streaming events without frequent interruptions. Charging is made convenient via a USB-C port, complemented by a HyperFlex 2 cable designed for flexibility and minimal resistance, ensuring smooth cable management even during use. Fast charging capabilities minimize downtime, allowing users to quickly power up between matches or work sessions. Real-world usage involving mixed activities such as office work, image editing, and gaming confirms battery life claims, offering peace of mind for users who prefer to use a wireless mouse continuously over several days. Despite not drastically changing its visual identity from the original Pulsefire Haste 2, the Pro version improves on finish and practicality. The base of the mouse includes a compartment to stow the USB receiver securely, enhancing portability. The scroll wheel, equipped with RGB lighting, offers a smooth yet tactile feedback. The primary left and right buttons utilize HyperX's proprietary optical switches, which provide crisp, rapid clicks without any perceptible debounce or softness, ideal for competitive clicking scenarios. The mouse's versatile wireless connectivity options include 2.4 GHz for low latency and Bluetooth for multi-device convenience, a rare combination that widens its usability beyond just gaming rigs. Priced around $119.99 United States cents, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro competes directly with high-end wireless gaming mice like Logitech's G Pro X Superlight and Razer's Viper V2 Pro. Its unique selling points include the ultra-high 4000 Hz polling rate and the custom HyperX 26K sensor features, often missing from rivals within the same price bracket. The blend of low weight, extended battery life, and robust software customization make it a strong contender for gamers seeking professional-grade hardware without breaking the bank. In sum, the HyperX Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is a compelling wireless gaming mouse designed to meet the rigorous demands of esports professionals and precision-oriented users. Its lightweight build, stellar sensor performance, and ultra-fast polling deliver a competitive edge in fast-paced gaming environments. Beyond gaming, its ergonomic design, multi-device connectivity, and long battery life position it as a versatile tool, suitable for professional workflows requiring accuracy and agility. For those in search of a high-performance wireless mouse that balances speed, comfort, and convenience, the Pulsefire Haste 2 Pro is a worthy investment that justifies its place in the upper tier of gaming peripherals.